Maya 1, the open source speech model created by Bengaluru-based Maya Research, is now accessible through FAL. Its runtime, your daily 24-hour Indian tech recap, and this allows developers to call the model through an API and use it inside of their voice assistants and automation tools. And Maya 1 is currently sitting at number 19 on Text-to-Speech Arena V2, and the model allows you to design voices in a fairly precise way. So you can modify stuff like accent, tone, pacing, and intensity. All right, next up, there is a new made in India video game just around the corner. Pune-based Nodding Heads Games has dropped the official reveal trailer for Raji Kali Yuga, which is the follow-up to Raji, an Ancient Epic, which came out in 2020. And the trailer you're seeing here exclusively uses in-game assets, and the entire Nodding Heads Games team is 17 members strong at this point, and the development of this second game has been made possible by the sales of Raji, an Ancient Epic, which is really one of the few noteworthy console games ever developed in India. Raji Kali Yuga is coming out on all platforms, so Steam, Epic Games, Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch 2, and currently we don't really know when the game is going to come out. There's no release date as of yet. You can't even pre-order the game at this point, but what we do know is that this will be the largest game so far from this studio. All right, next up, Bengaluru-based Prime Toolings has presented a new solid rocket booster built for MPADs, and an MPAD, by the way, is a man-portable air defense system. We were just talking about the topic of video games, so this is an MPAD in GTA 5. But this is what the booster of an actual MPAD looks like in real life. This booster produces 7.3 kilonewtons of thrust, and it can push the payload to Mach 2.87. And recent tests of this booster showed clean plasma flow and consistent timing, which means that the design is getting close to being field ready. All right, next up, Bengaluru and San Francisco-based Nimble Edge has partnered with Microsoft to create a new approach to on-device AI for Android, allowing the phone to handle small AI tasks without sending data to the cloud. And up until this point, most AI features on Android relied on cloud servers, which meant slower responses, higher operating costs, gaps during poor connectivity, and constant movement of personal data. And there really wasn't a standard way for Android apps to use on-device AI, so this collaboration between Nimble Edge and Microsoft's Foundry Local introduces a shared system that behaves consistently across Android hardware and gives developers a straightforward way to add AI-driven actions to their apps. Oh, and by the way, PhonePe is one of the first adopters of this new platform. They're using it to better understand and analyze user transaction data. All right, that is all of the Indian tech news that I have for you all today and for this week. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.